In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a bar graph from Google Sheets into a Google Docs document. We'll start by opening a web browser and visiting google.com. Once you're there, you might be inclined to head straight to Google Docs. However, since we're looking to incorporate a bar graph, it's crucial that we first use Google Sheets. To do this, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the square dots. This will display a set of Google applications available to you. From this menu, look for and select Sheets. Once in Google Sheets, you'll need to have your data ready. As you can see, I've already got some data prepared that we'll use to create our bar graph. If you haven't done so, enter your data now and then highlight the specific cells containing the information you want to represent in your bar graph. With your data highlighted, head over to the Insert menu situated at the top of the page, click it, and then select Chart from the drop-down options. Google Sheets will automatically generate a default bar graph for you. For now, let's keep things simple and use this default graph since the main objective is to embed it into a Google Doc. With your bar graph ready in Google Sheets, the next step is to transfer it over to Google Docs. To do this, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your bar graph. Select Copy Chart. Now switch over to your Google Docs tab and open the document where you want the graph to appear. Place your cursor wherever you'd like the graph to be and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste it. You'll then be presented with an option to link or unlink the spreadsheet from which the graph originated. Choosing to link the spreadsheet means that any future changes to the data in Google Sheets can be automatically reflected in your Google Docs. On the other hand, if you prefer the graph to remain static, choose to unlink it. Make your choice based on your specific needs and then click Paste. And there you have it. Your bar graph should now be visible in your Google Docs document. You can further customize your graph's details based on how you want it to be presented. Whether it's adding titles, labels, or annotations, feel free to modify the details within Google Sheets. Once you're satisfied with the graph's appearance in your Google Docs, you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.